Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the job safe. Cut power at the breaker or unplug the AC and confirm with a non-contact tester. Once done, remove nearby obstructions and set up a ladder if needed. Use gloves and eye protection because the mesh and frame can be sharp. Keep screws in a small container so you won't lose them. Make sure you have a magnetic screwdriver handy. It speeds reassembly and prevents dropped fasteners inside the unit. You now expose the net. Remove grill screws in a zigzag pattern so the frame doesn't warp, and loosen only enough to free the panel. Once partial, support the grill. Use a helper for large units because it can be heavy and fall. Identify how the net is fixed. It may be clipped, velcroed, screwed, or tucked into a folded edge. Carefully disengage clips or peel Velcro while holding the net taut to avoid stretching or tearing the mesh. You finish by gently pulling the net free from its attachment points. If you see fraying, replace the mesh now to avoid future debris ingress. Clean the underlying area and inspect for bent fins, straighten if needed. Refit the grill, tighten screws evenly to prevent distortion, and only then restore power. If the fan binds after reassembly, cut power again and recheck net alignment and any loose screws. Misalignment is
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.